Hello everyone, I am Hannah, and for today's video, we will be talking about representing functions in real-life situations. Without further ado, let's head into the topic and proceed with our discussion. Functions are often used to model real-life situations. Identifying an appropriate functional model will lead to a better understanding of various phenomena. The function notation is represented in the form f of x. Example number 1. Give a function c that can represent the cost of buying X meals if one meal costs 40 pesos. To solve what is asked, we must first analyze the problem. We know that we are asked to give the function, so first, let us determine what are given. The problem stated that c can represent the cost of buying X meals if one meal costs 40 pesos, so our given are c, x, and 40 pesos. Given what is asked, we will represent c by writing c of x as a function. And then we substitute 40 to c in the function c of x to obtain c of x equals 40x. Therefore, our final answer is the function c of x is equal to 40x. Example number 2. A car travels a distance of 120 kilometers after 3 hours. Express the velocity v of the car as a function of the number of hours t it traveled. Again, we have to analyze the problem first and then determine what is given. Given in the problem are 120 kilometers, 3 hours, and the velocity v. Since we know that v represents as the velocity, and the formula of the velocity is equals to distance over time, we substitute the distance, which is 120 kilometers, to the formula and obtain v of t is equals to 120 over time. Thus our final answer. And lastly, number 3. A house is rented for 4,800 pesos per month. If the landlord demanded a 1-month deposit, determine the function that represents the total amount of the money the tenant have given to the landlord after a number of months. After reading the problem, we now determine our given, which are 4,800 pesos, A, to represent after a number of m months. Now, let us write a of m as a function and then substitute 4,800 to a in the function, which is the amount the house is rented per month, plus 4,800. If we ask, why did we add 4,800? We added 4,800 because in the problem, we were asked to give its function to represent the total amount of the money the tenant have given to the landlord after a number of months, which includes the 1-month deposit demanded by the landlord. Thus, our final answer is a of m equals to 4,800 m plus 4,800. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.